Are you considering buying your own trailer? Maybe you want to spend more time camping or have a big move coming up. Of everything you'll need to consider, there's one component that's of the utmost importance: the hitch ball. If this is wrong, it's all downhill from there. So today we'd like to walk through the process of selecting the right hitch ball. What is a hitch ball? On the hitch ball mount, there's a bolted trailer ball that acts as a connection point for the trailer's coupler. The hitch ball is extremely important because it pivots the trailer and allows for smooth turning while you're towing. If your hitch ball is undersized, that means your trailer is going to bounce loose. This is why the diameter of the hitch ball has to be the same as the diameter of the trailer coupler. The shank length and diameter. Let's take a moment to talk about the shank. The shank length needs to be long enough so that when the hitch ball is installed, two threads are visible. The selected ball mount's hole diameter has to be the same as the diameter of the hitch ball. Ball capacity and diameter. Most trailers will list the hitch ball's maximum towing capacity, diameter, frame, and coupler. Your hitch ball must have the same maximum capacity and diameter as the one that's listed. It can also be greater than the one that's listed. Proper dimensions. Finally, your trailer's hitch ball must fit your trailer and ball mount as well. There's a hole in the ball mount that receives the ball. Once you know the diameter of the mounting hole, you'll be able to figure out the ball shank diameter as well. In the end, your trailer coupler size and ball size have to match each other. Likewise, the weight rating needs to be sufficient. Without these key components, you could really be setting yourself up for a disaster. You can always give us a call at 336-663-2214. Any one of your friends here at North Carolina Trailer Sales will be happy to help you select the right hitch ball for your vehicle. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.